Hello everybody, this is the second video about tools for specifying quality, specifying value. In this case, we will be talking about the service quality dimensions. There are 5 of them. The most common use of these quality dimensions for service is the survey called ServQual that is used in many applications to measure the quality of a service provided in a hotel or in any recreational center. The dimensions are 5: tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Tangibles refers to the appearance of physical elements. Reliability, if there is dependable and accurate performance of the service. Responsiveness is how prompt or how helpful is the service. Assurance includes competence, courtesy, credibility, and security. And the last one, empathy, it talks about easy access, good communication, understanding of the customer. To see and understand this better, what we will see will happen is we will see an example. This is my example. Again, this is from a Padlet that is available for you on the course. First, we start with tangibility. There is a description here about tangibility. It is the appearance of the physical facilities, equipment, personnel, and communication materials. That is all the tangibles associated with the service. One example, the distribution center appearance of the building, seats, and line configuration. The phones are available for people. Having phones available for people is part of the tangible service. In a distribution center, the appearance of the building, seats, and line configuration, the covers variety for the report or the manual that is provided with the service, all this that is tangible is in this dimension. The second dimension, reliability. It is the ability to perform the promised service dependably and accurately. Reliability means that the company delivers on its promises about delivery, service provision, problem resolution, and pricing. How well live up to those. 90% of the quotations, that's example, 90% of the quotation are delivered in 24 hours or less. How reliable is? The promised delivery time is 24 hours. Another one is the warranty. The company offers a 2-year warranty for factory-related problems in the cell phone. This is the service. So as we can see, the dimensions of the quality for service are complementing the product defined by the 8 quality dimensions of Garvey. The third dimension is responsiveness. We understand responsiveness as the willingness to help customers and provide prompt service. This dimension emphasizes attentiveness and promptness in dealing with customer requests, questions, complaints, and problems. For instance, one example or one requirement is when a company has a chatbot for the main question and answer section of the website. Another one might be there is a hotline working from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. from Monday to Sunday to gather and respond questions from the customers. Number 4 is assurance. For a service means to inspire trust and confidence. Assurance is defined as employees' knowledge of courtesy and the ability of the firm its employees to inspire trust and confidence. This one, when we develop as requirement, we can say that is training provided by the company to its employees. So we make sure that they have the knowledge, the ability, and the courtesy to satisfy the customer needs. Another way to do it is by certifications. You have a certification on ISO 9000 means that we have all the requirements and all the elements of the system in place so that in a regular basis we satisfy the customer needs. That's the assurance. And the last one, empathy. Caring, easy access, good communication, customer understanding, and individualized attention given to customers. As you can see, empathy is about how in touch we can be with the customer or the companies with the customer. For instance, one way to do it, it would be it's easy to talk to a sales representative. Or better yet, you have an executive or personal customer service that you can get right away. A contact, a phone number, a WhatsApp, something that is it gets you good communication and easy access. Help for specific needs, people with handicaps or special needs. So that means that this service has empathy towards their customers. Using all five of them, we can measure and we can design and define, in this case, the value of a very good service according to what the customer wants. Thank you.